You're a snot.
You got a little head go through the air?
Courtesy owl.
You don't suck on diapers. No. No.
But look, I'm walking.
No. No. Did you hear me? All gone. No. No.
What is your problem?
No. Gee, I wonder.
You can't have it.
You're gonna find out the world's full of no's now. No.
Look.
No. Did
Come
you
here.
get a diaper because you stink? I'm coming, Mom. I'm coming. Is that why you got a diaper? Because you stink? Boom. Well, if you do, that's going to be a good mess.